Stop. Whoa. Here, we're going to learn how to wash our hands, okay?
Okay.
Roll up your sleeves. Roll up your sleeves.
Okay.
You got to do a good job. We can't be wiping on your coat and everything. Okay, turn on the water. Get them all good and wet. Okay, you know this is the coronavirus season, so we got to be very careful with this. Put some soap on them. Okay, rub them really good. You can get them lathered up now. Yeah, good and lathered up. Okay, get the backs of your hands, backs as well. Get your thumbs and in between your fingers. Yep, each one. Good one. Good one.
There.
Good, good. Do a little more, and then by your wrists. Okay, and you want to rinse them off under running water. Okay, very important that you rinse them under running water. So a little bit. You want to get all that soap good off between your fingers, your fingernails. You even kind of go around your fingernails a little.
Good.
All right, good. And then you can dry them off. It's very important to dry them completely because if you just dry them on your hands or your coat or whatever, that's not good. You want to get all these germs. We don't want to be carrying germs everywhere in this season. Okay? All right.
Okay.
Good job, Brain Freeze.
Now I know how to wash my hands.
Good job.